Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
What should be that mental state they should be aiming for to reach that point of delivering the child?
I would say be a calm and confident person. That's the mental state you need to be giving birth. By calm and confidence, I say confidence comes through education. The first thing that you need to do is make yourself aware of the situation, of everything that is going to come through in this entire process. And when you're taking a step to understand all of these things, the next thing that will happen is you know to take your decisions. You know to have those informed decisions. And that way, the entire process is in your control, right? So that is going to give you a lot of confidence. And even if things go a little here and there, you're still under control. And that gives you a lot of empowerment. So that confident state of mind is one thing. And second thing is to be calm.
True.
Right? So why calm? Because I already told you. Because you don't need to let your stress hormones even step a little further. Make sure your oxytocin and your endorphins are always high
Right.
for your labor to progress. So these are the two major hormones for your labor to do the best that it can do.
So basically, the whole concept is what the key word is confidence.
Yes.
Right?
Calm confidence.
Yes. And for that, we need to be knowledgeable.
Yes.
So that and to get that knowledge and the wisdom is what you are telling them and teaching them, so that they're empowered to take the right decision at the right time.
Yes.
Which also help them keep calm, because with this technical knowledge, they know which hormones have to be released and which have to be suppressed.
True.
Am I right?
Yes.
Do I get it right? This is amazing. I mean, like, it's really sounds simple.
Yes.
And I hope it gives them already the conversation, gives them the confidence which is needed, because, there's no doubt, fear and anxiety which is part of this journey, which you can do nothing
But
about.
scientifically also it is proved, right? It's not just like fear and anxiety is just going to put your labor,
Right.
It's going to put that progression low. But it's like scientifically there. The stress hormones are there. These hormones won't work. So you should not letting these hormones take a backseat, because then you'll have delayed labor and the intensity is high.
Right.
So all of those things will follow.